Want to see it? It's a video. You gotta eat your food first. Got some kicks? Are you too?
Go.
That's right. Oops. Dropped your spoon. If you want Mommy to get it, you say, help me please.
Okay.
Oh, careful, dude. It's okay? What you doing? Sit down, please, or you could always. Thank you. Talk. That.
Green and red.
Can you say brother?
Green.
Can you say Ethan? Can you say Can you say Ayla? Can you say Daddy? Can you say Wade? Can you say Allison? Can you say Grandma? Grandpa? Crew? What else can you say? Downstairs? Upstairs? Potty? Poopy? Underwear? Pants? Shirt? Cereal? Bye-bye.
Bye.